Hi, welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. And I got a box, and you see this box got a flower on it. It's the first time I've ever gotten a box through the mail that ended up with a flower on it. This box came from my brother. We don't really celebrate holidays. We just send each other stuff because we love each other. And he sent me this. So I want to share it with y'all. See what I got. But I need the knife to open up the box. Oh. I have to be delicate with the stuff he sends because he puts stuff all around his packages, like this card right here and this flower. And he tapes up stuff very, very well. Okay, let's see what the card says. Sending healing thoughts. And he wrote me a long note, so I won't read the note. But this is sending you healing thoughts, and it's a variety of poems. Believe that there is a promise in the dawn of every day, new perspective and strength and healing, and inspiring lights the way. For the morning sun appears, new hope is arising too, bringing unexpected miracles we need to help us through. So believe in all the promise and every day has to share, and know that when you need me, you can count on me to care. Aww. Okay. Get rid of this. Open up the box. Open up the box. I am his little sister, so he may have sent me stuff pertaining to being his little sister. So let's see. Wow. He sent me a vest. Oh, totally cool. A puffy vest. Oh, I am loving it, loving it. It's in a Nietzsche vest. It's got the symbols on it. It is awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Throw your likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to be a honeybee. Honeybee. Likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more.